very deep, very glossy na ang pagka-black niya. Kung naaalala nyo guys, yung condition ng car na ito before, hindi siya ganito kakinang, hindi siya ganito kaganda. But right now guys, hi guys! Magandang na araw po sa inyong lahat. So finally, we're done installing our polycarbonate paint protection film for our beloved car, the Ceres 7.
Nice.
And right now guys, kung makikita nyo, very deep, very glossy na ang pagka-black niya. And it's fully protected with our polycarbonate paint protection film, the latest technology of PPF. Pero to be honest guys, hindi pa tayo kontento. Since this car, pinaghirapan natin, and all of these cars here at Wash Authority, talagang milestone ng ating mga kliyente. Kaya what we do after we install our PPF is maglalagay tayo ng flexible coating. So this coating is specifically made for PPF. So ang gagawin ng coating na ito is mapoprotektahan niya ang PPF from the UV rays, harsh environmental conditions, of course, mga harsh chemicals, and guys, matutulungan niya pa yung PPF na magkaroon ng mas makinang na finish.
Approved!
Siyempre guys, ang mga sasakyan, pinaghirapan natin yan. Kaya it deserves the best protection, and yun ang ginagawa natin dito sa Wash Authority. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo ang final output natin para sa ating beloved car. Pero for now, i-coating muna natin. So guys, we're finally done with our brand new car project, the Ceres 7.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Kung naaalala nyo guys, yung condition ng car na ito before, hindi siya ganito kakinang, hindi siya ganito kaganda. But right now guys, sobrang ganda, sobrang ramdam mo na brand new siya, and makikita nyo naman po, sobrang kinang. And in this video guys, we were able to solve 3 things. Una sa lahat, natanggal natin yung mga grimes, mga dirt, mga light scratches, watermarks, at swirl marks ng car na ito. Pangalawa, we were able to bring the glossy finish this car deserves, at ramdam na ramdam natin right now na brand new siya. And finally, we were able to protect this car with the latest technology of PPF, and that is polycarbonate PPF by Wash Authority, ensuring and preserving the look of this car and our family's milestone. Guys, before I end this video, ganito pala yung pakiramdam ng nagpapaservice sa Wash Authority, or kung ano yung nararamdaman ng aming mga kliyente, or kung bakit sila nagpapa-PPF. Ang mga brand new cars, pinaghirapan yan, and of course, it's a milestone for each and every one of us. So they also deserve to be maintained, preserved, para pagdating ng araw, you can look back, you can see the car na napakaganda pa rin ng condition, and kumbaga, ma-capture mo yung moment na na-achieve mo yung milestone na ito. If you like this video, if you want this content guys, please give us a like, and of course, a share, para matuloy po namin ang mga ganitong content. Again, thank you for watching. This is Boss Gene, nagsasabing makintab na araw sa inyo.